My most viewed video on this channel is sitting at just about 52,000 views and climbing every single day, which blows out every single other video I have ever posted in terms of view count. And the crazy part is I didn't write a single word of the script, I barely came up with the idea myself, and I did not have to do any of the packaging myself. Every piece of that video, from the research, the title, the thumbnail, the script, and even the editing, was handled by one Claude Code workflow. This isn't Claude helping me write faster or write funnier scripts, this is Claude handling the entire end-to-end production of a YouTube video. A YouTube video that actually worked and got more views than I've ever done by myself. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact Claude skills I have built and show you the exact order I use them in so you can replicate the same process for your own channel. And at the end, I'll even break down the skill that allows me to turn these videos into revenue and lead generating activities for my business. So if you want to increase the reach and lead potential of your YouTube channel and work less on it, this video is for you. Let's dive into it. And if you want to follow along, all of the skills word for word are in our community down below. So all you have to do is download the actual skill and you can get it up and running in about 60-ish seconds. And if you're new to content, no worries. We also have a day-by-day, week-by-week starting guide for you to start posting content using AI. If you want to follow along, you can check those down below. So we're going to cover the end-to-end process. So you could start with literally nothing and then end up posting a YouTube video that actually has the chance of doing well for you and your business. So we're going to cover skills that bridge this entire gap. Now, first we have to start with competitor research. This is where research happens, ideally from my competition, to see what videos are even viable for me to post. And of course, I built a Claude skill that will help me do this. And this is how that works. So how it works is I track about 15 to 50 competitor channels that are on the same topic as me. So they cover AI content like I do. They cover social media and business principles like I do. They talk about marketing, which is what I talk about all the time. Then this Claude skill will rank the videos of my competition of these 15 to 50 competitors by view count, and then pull the actual transcripts, including the hooks, structures, retention phrases, etc. So I'm getting all of my competition in one single markdown file ranked by view count, and then of the best performing videos, I'm pulling the transcripts, matching them to see the patterns that are working for my competition, because if something is working for someone else, most likely it's going to work for me as well. So for example, if a competitor in their hook use a dollar figure or a number to actually introduce the topic of the video, and that's done across multiple competitors, I should probably do something similar in my own video. You just want to make sure that the principles you're following are statistically significant, meaning they are happening amongst multiple people, not just one or two people. So it's actually a proven trend to work, all right? So this is how in-depth the system actually gets, tracking competition, pulling transcripts and seeing what phrases, what wording, what retention hacks are actually working for my competition and then adapting it for my own business. So when I run that skill, I get something that looks like this. This was ran a few days ago and it will give me the videos that I should make now. So you could see it gave me 49 channels. So these are channels of competitors I am tracking, 221 outliers, 34 that are viral, 45 that are strong. And then these are all recent in the last 60 days. So I'm pulling from recent activity from people in my niche. And you can see that the system and the Claude skill recommends I should make these videos first. And then it gives me a trending topic breakdown based on categories. So Claude code videos, AI agent videos, ChatGPT videos, Gemini videos, NAN, automation workflow videos. So it's insane how much detail this actually gives me. It gives me the exact views, gives me the fit. So this video right here is a 3 out of 5 fit for what I'm doing. This is a 2 out of 5 fit. So maybe I shouldn't do that. So it will rank everything based on the top 7 videos I should make right now. And then give me a further breakdown of the signals, meaning what is an outlier, what is working. Like this video right here is 150 times outlier, which is insane. Something I probably should make. It gives me the pillar of content. So this is AI tools content. These are AI automation videos. These are creator workflow videos. So you can sort of see how powerful this skill is. This runs on autopilot for me at the top of every single week. So sourcing outliers that will eventually convert to well-produced videos and high view count videos on my channel is not a problem. It's very easy and this runs on the schedule. So this is something that I use all the time, every single week. And it's the core of this right here. This is the start. You want to start off with a good idea. Nothing we do after this matters if your idea is bad. So you have to have a good idea. That is the biggest thing when it comes to YouTube. You have to have a good idea. So that is skill number 1 and method number 1 that Claude helped me with the idea. All right, now I have my idea. How do we go about writing the script from a blank page? Now, the scripting is also super important. For example, this video that you're watching right now was also scripted by Claude, the exact Claude skill I'm going to show you right now. So the Claude skill that helps me with the script is as follows. The first thing that it does is it writes the hook alone. When I talk about scripts, and any good copywriter or content social media person will tell you that the hook is the most important. So you will have the hook up here, then you will have the body, and then you will have the CTA / the outro. All right. Now, the hook is the most important part logically, because if no one listens to the hook and if they can't make it through, they will never even get to the CTA and the body points and things you talk about. All right. So I highly recommend that you put 80% of your effort, maybe even 90% of your effort into crafting a good hook. And And that is what the skill is built around. The skill will take the transcripts that are sourced in the previous skill. It will look at all the hooks from my competitors, see what's working, and it will write the hook alone for me. I will read that hook. I'll see if I like it, see if it needs tweaks, etc., etc. Then I will lock that hook in. So I will make sure that this is good before writing out any of the body points, before doing any of the CTAs, the outros, the presentations, and all the other skills we're going to talk about in a second. All right. So you need to make sure you're locking in a really good hook in your script. And then this is just my personal preference. But for the body, I like to have bullet points. I don't like to have it word for word. I don't like to read off of a teleprompter. I feel like sometimes it's inauthentic, and I'd rather explain my thoughts out loud. I build a skill of speaking on camera, and I already know what I'm talking about, so I don't really need it scripted out. So that is what I do for the body. And for example, this is the actual script that's outputted for the video you're watching right now. So you're looking at this video right now, which is the video you're currently watching. This is the script. Here is the hook and then the body. Now, without spoiling the rest of the video, you can sort of see exactly how it is. So it tells me that this is a pattern interrupt, how I should actually present this on screen. It gives me the exact hook, etc. So the hook, the body, the CTA, all done by Claude. But again, 80% of what you want to focus on is using the Claude skill to create a good hook. The hook matters more than anything. It goes idea, which is number one, the packaging, which we'll get to in a second, then the script, which really is the hook. The hook determines so much. Please focus on the hook. We have done research so far. We've done the script, which is really creating a good hook and setting up the rest of the video. Now let's get into the next Claude skills that help me create a viral YouTube video. All right, next we have one of my favorites, the thumbnail brief. All right, Claude doesn't make the image, it writes the brief, and we pass this off to a system that creates the thumbnail for us. We have a whole system when it comes to thumbnails. Again, that will be in our community if you want to go ahead and check that out. But the thumbnails are super important because thumbnails are a part of the packaging of a video. So the packaging of the video is the thumbnail and then the title that you see under. And this is what you see on a homepage. You see the thumbnail and you see the title. These together create the packaging of the video. And this is so important because if you could even increase your thumbnail click-through rate from a 3% to 5%, you are almost doubling the amount of views that video gets. So this is a super important thing that you have to nail down. Thumbnails are so important, and believe it or not, all of the thumbnails that you are seeing on my channel, this is the one that went mega viral right here, are all done using this exact same system. These are all done using AI, which is pretty crazy, the quality that you get, and this is a part of what makes it possible. All right, so we have Claude basically create us a thumbnail brief. So it gives us the composition. So the rule of thirds, this is something that is a thumbnail designing rule. Clean assets, so this pictures of my face. The colors, and colors really influence a lot. So for example, orange for Claude is super important. Red and green are always good to use in thumbnails as well. So colors is super important. And then curiosity, and this is probably the biggest one here. We want to make sure people are curious about the video. So when they see the thumbnail, it invokes curiosity. Curiosity gets them to click, and then the hook, which we just covered in the script, gets them to watch and stay to the end of the video. That's how you get a really well-performed video. So the thumbnail brief gives us a bunch of different options, which is amazing. And essentially it gives me multiple variations. So it'll give me 1 to 3 compositions or briefs. I will run that through our system, and then I'll get 3 to 5 thumbnails. Then I will see, what does actually work, what does not. And I'll usually split test 3 different thumbnails per video because why not? It takes 10 minutes to create them. I might as well test as much as I can. All right, so that is part of the loop when it comes to thumbnails. So we use the Claude skill to make us thumbnail brief. We pass it to our system. I actually get the thumbnails, and then I choose which ones I like. So I usually get like 5 of them, and then I'll choose, okay, this one looks good and this one looks good. Let's actually go ahead and upload these. All right, so the thumbnail brief and the thumbnail skill is super important. Again, if you could just slightly increase the thumbnail performance of your video, which is the packaging of your video, you could almost double your views on some of the video, which is insanely powerful. And all of my CTRs, my click-through rate, because of the thumbnails, have been going up when I started using this AI system. And it's way cheaper than hiring a designer, and there's almost no latency. So you could get a thumbnail done within 5 minutes instead of waiting 24 hours for someone overseas to deliver it to you, which is awesome. All right, so far we have done the research, we have done the script, which is really the hook, super important. We have done part of the packaging, which is really the thumbnail. All right, now what is next? There's still a lot of stuff that has to go into making a proper YouTube video. And this one is also really good. And it's what you're staring at literally right now. This is the script to presentation skill. So I take the script that I just showed you. So the script right here, and I run the next command, which is script to presentation. Again, this one is also in our community. If you wanted to go ahead and grab that, it's the presentation skill right here. And it turns this into a presentation that you're looking at right now. So I have a bunch of different rules. Orange is our brand asset for our company. So it writes in orange, writes in the script I want, it writes in the style I want. So not too much text on screen, just very small things. So this is taking the script, turning it into a presentation that I could then film. Because you don't want to sit here and stare at my face and me talking to you all day. It's going to hurt retention. You look at a presentation, and that is what the skill is built for. Take the script, turn it into a presentation. Pretty simple, but highly effective. Some rules I have for my script writer is it's 20 plus slides. So usually one script per concept or section. I want to make it very, very clear about what I'm talking about. I don't want to overload the text on screen. It's just too much. You're going to start reading instead of listening to me. So there's a lot of stuff that you have to consider. I have screen share flags, so you don't really see them in the video. But for example, this is a cue for me as the person filming to show this on camera. So this is a cue for me to go outside of this presentation, go to another tab and show what's going on. All right. So it gives me cues for recording, which is awesome. And then it opens directly in Google Chrome. So I don't have to download anything or put it into Google Slides or PowerPoint presentations. Like, it just opens up right in Chrome, and I can just screen share and film like I'm doing right now. So it's super simple. So the ads right here, this is like, I would say the presentation, or I call it a filming asset. All right. So instead of me talking to the camera all day, which is what so many people do, I could use a proper asset to go ahead and film. In my other videos, I talk about how to make whiteboards as well. And then obviously this is a presentation. So there's different types of assets you could use, but make sure you're spicing up your videos. Don't just talk to the camera all day. Actually have assets that you're showing on screen that aid what you're talking about. It's much easier and it's much better client journey. Now, how do we get to the finish line here? There's still a massive skill, a few skills right here that really, really matter when it comes to creating a viral video that, again, actually will pay us in the future. All right, and this one's a huge one for a lot of people: AI assisted editing by Claude. This is massive. Yes, you still have to pay video editors. Yes, I recommend doing so, but Claude could take care of so much of the video editing for you. It's actually insane. And for a lot of you, this is going to be a game changer for you. So what the Claude skill does, it pulls the clips. So I upload the clips to Claude. It generates the captions for me, and then generates the actual text on screen, B-roll, graphics, images, etc. And then it assembles the entire thing. So editing a video, it does take a lot. So you have a raw video, you have to cut it, to edit it. This is like probably the hardest part. And this is also just time consuming. You have to check it, you have to put it together. So for example, right now I'm recording my screen, I'm recording my face. So you have to layer everything on top. Like, there's a lot of stuff you have to do, and Claude handles most of it really well. For example, if I go to my most viral video, you see the intro is all done mainly by Claude. So this is all by Claude. Yes, I have an editing team putting it together, and I recommend still having someone to do it, because sometimes it'll even take you more effort to use Claude to do this if you don't know what you're doing. So it does take a little bit of time, but this is all done by Claude. That's me, Claude, Claude, Claude. And this one, like, this is cool. Look at this, Claude. It's all Claude editing, which is pretty amazing. And again, this video did insanely well, and Claude did a lot of the heavy lifting when it came to the editing and putting together of the video. It's quality and it's proven to work because people, again, watched this video. All right, so we've covered a lot. We covered the research and the topic. We've covered the scripting and the hook. We covered the packaging. We've covered turning the scripts to presentations. We have covered the actual editing. There's one more right here, and no one talks about this, but your videos need to make you money. Point blank, period. If you're posting, the views on YouTube are not going to add up to a lot. I think from this viral video that I made right here, this made me like $200 through YouTube. So it's not enough to pay the bills. You need people to watch your videos and turn into leads. So you need this right here. And by the way, we've done this for a bunch of other companies. You can see on screen right here, we've done over $1 million through YouTube marketing and video marketing alone. So this works insanely well. You need people to watch your video. They need to watch, be interested, become a lead, become a sales call, and become a client, right? Which is money for your business. How do we get someone from a YouTube video to becoming a high ticket client that pays you $5, $10, $15,000 or more sometimes less, depending if you're doing high ticket or low ticket, right? But how do we get someone to become a buyer? The last skill I'm going to talk about is the lead magnet skill. So if you go to my videos, you can see I have my lead magnets right here. So if you click on this, you can see all of my free resources. I have so many free resources for days and days and days and days and days. All right. Claude helps me make these free resources. So for example, for this video right here, Claude helped me actually put together the resource that you get when you download this, and it's completely free. So you'll get the Claude MD file. This whole description was done by Claude. It uploads it to the lead magnet software for me. So all of this was taken care of by Claude as well. And that's closing the loop, right? That's getting people to actually become a lead, because usually you would have to do this yourself, right? So this is you. You'd have to make the PDF, upload it, et cetera, et cetera. Claude does 90% of this for me. Now people could download this and become a lead. And behind the scenes, and I cover this in a lot of my other videos, but the funnel is YouTube to lead magnet. Obviously, when you download a lead magnet from me, I'm going to capture your email. Then you could do email marketing, and then you pitch in email marketing, and that's how you get sales calls. That's how you get clients, community members, whatever you're trying to sell. All right. So that is closing the loop on, yes, we created an amazing video. Yes, AI can do editing, blah, blah, blah. But you need people to have a clear path and the next steps to actually take action and work with you. And that is that last skill called slash lead magnet, right? Nothing crazy, right? So those are all the skills I use to create a viral YouTube video that also makes me money for my business. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, make sure to drop me a subscribe so my next videos fall on your page. Again, everything I covered will will be in our community if you want to check that out. If you want to grow your own brand using AI and social media and add an extra 5 figures a month to your business, you can book a call with us down below. Be me and you one-on-one. We can have a chat about if that makes sense for you at this moment. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and build some of these things. It's going to change the way you create content online. And I will see you in my next video right here. Talk to you soon.